The Towers of B, Book 1, Present. Once upon a time, there were 3 towers. The Towers of B. In these towers lives the bee family. This is Queen Bee. In the first tower live the present bees. Am, is, and are. And their little brothers and sisters, am, is, and are. They all have 8 friends. The pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. And they have little brothers and sisters. The pronouns you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. The first tower. Present. I likes to play with am. I am. He, she, and it like to play with is. He is, she is, it is. You, we, you, and they like to play with are. You are. We are. You are. They are. They like to play the pirates. Arr! And they are all very, very happy. Not, 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 not. One day, a lot of knots arrived to the towers. Am, is, and are, and the pronouns liked the knots and started to play and follow them. She is not. I am not. They are not. They made a group, the negatives. The small pronouns and big I, jealous of the knots, make a new group, the interrogatives. They hold a stick with a sign and call it the question mark. Big am, are, and is liked questions. Wow! They started to follow the pronouns with the question marks. Big am follows I. Am I? Big R follows you. Are you? We. Are we? You. Are you? They. Are they? And big is follows he. Is he? She. Is she? And it. Is it? And they are all very happy with the questions. The end.